So the table simply says that simple present will be like grows, is grown, are grown depending on the subject, right? Number. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस इज आर ग्रोइंग अगर एक्टिव में है तो क्या हो जाएगा? इज बीइंग ग्रोन, आर बीइंग ग्रोन. ठीक है, अपने से सेंटेंसेस कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं, कर पा रहे हैं तो इट्स अ सिंबल सिम्टम कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है. अगर आप सिर्फ बुक के एग्जांपल्स पे ग्लूड है तो फिर से आप ट्राई करिए. नेक्स्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस को देखिए. द passive is not possible for present perfect continuous. The active can be formed definitely, has been growing. Can you please frame a sentence in present perfect continuous? Anybody? And kindly be participative. It's very usual and normal to err. To err means गलती करना. To err is human, to forgive is divine. आपने सुना होगा. हेलो आयुष, बातचीत नहीं करते हो आजकल मुझसे? हाँ, ऑल राइट, फाइन. यस यस, इन एक्टिव ओनली आई एम आस्किंग. लवली, आई शुड लव यू सो मच. Rita have been growing. Ma'am, I have a example sentence. Please say.
He has been working for more than 11 hours.
Lovely. Are you close to him? Are you also getting inspiration from him or not? Can you please open your camera, Angel? I wish to see you. Is it possible? Don't ask. Okay. Thank you for the courtesy. All right, Sumit, you're saying something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My sentence is, I have been working for this since tomorrow.
Nah, I have been working for the since tomorrow. Rephrase it. I have been working for 2 hours. How about this? Better?
Yes, ma'am.
Now make any sentence with proper noun. Yes, Angel?
Was the sentence was wrong or it was correct?
Was the sentence was the sentence was wrong? Is this your question? Frame it correctly, then I shall tell my answer. Was the sentence was incorrect? Huh? Ma'am, was the sentence incorrect? This
My sentence was incorrect.
is my sentence was incorrect. Angel, नहीं बेटे, ऐसे नहीं बनेगा ये आपका. Is my sentence incorrect? अभी हम present में है ना? तो was नहीं आएगा. Okay, Angel? पहले तो art of question making. How to frame a question in different sentences and in different tenses. इसे सीखिए आप लोग. वरना तो आप लोग बहुत ही अच्छे लगेंगे और फिर प्लीज अपना मुंह ना खोलें. Right, so let me focus on the table itself, and you have given, all of you have given some nice examples. I think you people are quite clear how to use this box. Is there any girl, boy who does not know, मैम इसको यूज कैसे करना है? बॉक्स तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, इंफॉर्मेटिव है, क्लियर है सबको. वेयर देयर इज अ डैश, इट मींस द पैसिव इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Correct? So let us focus ahead. And yesterday, if I remember, I was into this exercise. Rewrite the following sentences in the passive voice. Juman waters the plants every day. He throws the weeds away. He digs the soil. He also plucks flowers and collects them carefully. So, if you notice, S is coming in the first form of the verb with the subject. Yes or no? Correct? What does it show? It is in which tense? Simple present. Now, if you go and refer back to the table, what does it say? Is grown, are grown. So, accordingly, you need to change it. So, what it should be? The plants are watered by Juman every day. Then, what?
The flowers were plucked by Juman.
The weeds are thrown away by him. Does make sense? Then he also plucks flowers. का क्या होगा? He also plucks flowers and collects them carefully. What should be the passive? Flowers and nahi. Flowers are plucked and collected. Flowers are plucked and collected by him carefully. Do you all agree? Are is as per the subject flowers. Who? So remake your sentence and say the answer. Yes. Who was it? These are some pointers which I really don't like about online classes. I just recommend, why don't you people come to class? We will appreciate if 2 sections of 8 will be running. A nice suggestion, है ना? Is any teacher doing so? I'll deduct their marks in PT too. This is even best. All right, fine. Chalo, let me not focus. Rewrite the following sentences so B is clear.
Ma'am,
Question.
your voice is very good.
Oh, really? Then what should I do? Suggest me something. Come up with a good plan. Meanwhile, I'm on C. B is clear? Adesh Chatri, B is clear? All right. The teacher uses that cubicle. That cubicle is used by the teacher. Mahesh sketched the map. Was sketched should be the structure. Okay? Then Ramesh had borrowed some money. No. Look at the tense. Had borrowed. अब आप बॉक्स देखिए. ये टेंस कौन सा है?
Had been borrowed by Ramesh.
Very good, friends. Very good. So, some money had been borrowed by Mahesh. Rest of the items are for homework. I believe you should be able to do it. Okay? Nice. Now, change of verb forms in passive voice in different kinds of tenses. Verb के forms कितने होते हैं ideally? Present, past, past participle. Right? So, how these forms will change as per the tenses. Simple present tense को example लिया है सबसे पहले. Call, calls, is, are, am called. Right? So, Ridhima eats biscuits every evening. This is the active. Biscuits are eaten by Ridhima every evening. Why are eaten? Ma'am, because the tense is simple present. And if we make the passive, it will be are and third form of the verb. Any doubt? All right. So, take the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple present tense. India Premier League matches are played by many teams. Tick. Next, all the swimmers. Correct. So that way, I think you can do the rest of the items. Are provided, are called, is celebrated. Correct. Now E is homework. E is homework. You should be able to do. Yes or no? कर लेंगे आप. है ना? Simple past tense से I'll take up in the fourth period. Fourth period. I have fourth period too. Activity. Okay. Thank you so much. See you all in fourth period.
Thank you, Mr.